beautiful long signal showed up today, guys, bright and early this morning, allowing us to nail yet another massively profitable trade. All right, guys, let's get into it. What a day, man. Today was like the mother of all rallies. I'm going to show you how we played it, and I'm going to show you how the market actually gave you a clue that the only way to trade today was long. Shame on you if you tried to short this market today, folks. Let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Today is Tuesday, November 14th. I've got my favorite symbol, the NASDAQ, queued up for you with all my trades right on the chart, and I've also got the S&P 500 queued up for all you S&P 500 lovers. But you know I like to start with the NAS. This is my favorite symbol of all time. Yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class. You can trade it on Forex, you can trade it on futures, and you can trade it on stocks and options. And of course, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume indicator color band. This indicator is our take on using volume to nail, and I mean straight up nail, the trend change and the trend direction at any moment in time. And I'm going to show you how this indicator was a cash printing machine for me in this morning session. Okay, but the first thing I promised you was that this market gives you clues on the direction. You don't have to be a rocket scientist in order to be able to spot these clues. Case in point, I'm going to show you why today was a long only day. Shame on you if you played it short. Here's why, okay? I'm actually going to take you to the opening print. I mean, Jesus Christ, look at this, all right? Look at this insane 900 tick move that started right over here. Okay? The volume indicator nailed the trend change and the trend direction right here at 7:30 a.m. sharp. And this thing just surged for 800, 900 ticks straight up. All right, like it basically spent an hour and a half going in one direction straight up like a rocket ship. All right, so this was your first clue to only play this market long. I would be scared to death to try to play this market short based on how I saw the volume and the price action reacting this morning. All right, but here's the second clue, guys. All right, I want you to really look at this. All right, look at where the volume turned red. All right, like itty bitty red. Okay, and this is your clue. Why? Because even when the sellers came in, okay, because that's what this indicator does. It tells you that when this indicator turns red, sellers were trying to take control of this market. But look at them. The sellers were pathetic. They could barely even get a handful of red bars to print in their favor before the buyers came right back a second time and forced it all the way back up. You understand? Like, this is what I call stupid simple. I mean, if you cannot pick up on the clues that the volume and the market in general is telling you, then shame on you, right? Anyway, so you guys know my thought process and my frame of mind when I started my trading today, right? I was long only today for those reasons. And so let me clean up the chart a little bit and try to walk you through each one of these profitable trades from just the morning session. You guys have heard me say this repeatedly. The best time to trade, in my humble opinion, where the most amount of potential profit is, okay, is in the morning. Like, I like to be done with my trading well before lunch. Now, before I get into my trades, can any one of you guys and gals out there figure out why this was a trade, and why this was a trade, and why this was a valid trade? Okay? Yep, you guessed it. Each one of these trades, guys and gals, is a perfect retracement trading setup. And if there's one thing that you take away from watching this video, it's that I sincerely hope that I'm able to convince you and hopefully prove to you that there is nothing, like you'll never find anything more powerful and potentially profitable than a retracement trade. Okay, because still to this very day, I am still hearing from people and getting messages from people who are on their candlestick garbage indicator nonsense charts. People that are retail traders, amateur traders, and frankly speaking, these type of people are people that don't want to change, right? Because if you cannot get yourself out of the garbage bag and the trash pile, then what business do you have trading, right? Because that's the only criteria that I have to take on new customers and clients. All right, you have to have an open mind and you have to appreciate professional trading software and professional trading signals. And this volume indicator makes it too easy, okay? Now, you do have to understand risk reward, guys, all right? So like each one of these trades was tied to, I think I was using like 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 today, okay? Risk reward. And what's interesting is on every single one of these trades, all right, across the board, all of them, I was 3 for 3 on the first target. All right, you can see it here like across the board, right? Target number 1, profit. Number 1, profit. Number 1, profit. All right, so each one of those trades was money in the bag. But on the second half of my position, I got stopped out at break even across the board. You can see it right here, right? Stop out, break even, stop out, break even, stop out, break even. And this is an interesting use case because a lot of people are bothered when they get stopped out. And I'm here to tell you that if you properly understand risk reward and risk management, then it doesn't matter if you get stopped out 1,000,000 times. You can still be profitable, right? Because your money maker is target 1. That's your money maker. Target 2 is just a bonus, right? And so today I was able to bag close to 300 ticks. And keep in mind, folks, this is after an already enormous 900 tick move to start the day, right? Now listen, I wish I had made 900 ticks today, right? I have had those super profitable days, but listen, man, I'll take 300 ticks, and so will you, right? Anybody would. So the takeaway from this video, guys, is number 1, pay attention to the clues that the market is giving you. When you see a day like this where it just surges and the volume comes in and flushes all the short sellers out, then you know your trend direction for the day is probably going to be long only. And takeaway number 2, guys, always remember that when you understand risk reward, you put the odds in your favor of becoming and being and staying profitable. You understand? That to me is the most important part about successfully trading the market, right? It's not important just to become profitable. You also have to place more of your focus on staying profitable. So congrats to all of my customers and clients who caught this beautiful move. I'm so thrilled that you guys are mastering this volume indicator system. This market has been a day trader's dream, and I'll be back with you to show you more profitable setups tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.